Finding out whether the engine will turn or whether the chassis is rotten are critical to any restoration. After 60 years in the lockup, we'd good reason to be worried about both of these things.
He's let the bloody spark plugs out of it. So, you see underneath it, Rich, does it look rusty?
Meet Jack's 1930s Lagonda, Celia. Jack's my dad, and his dearest wish is to see his Lagonda back on the road. With help from good friend and professional mechanic Paul, we hope to do just that, but serious problems with either the engine or the chassis could spell disaster for us. Today, we've come to Alan Aston Motor Engineers, run by Paul's former business partner Richard, to put Celia up on the ramp and find out if our worst fears are justified.
Right, there's a shaft, it's off there.
There's the solenoid,
it
goes into there.
It's missing.
And it's missing. That's a good telltale sign for you, because you get to some hole. Right. There's the solenoid, it goes into there. And it's missing. That's a good telltale. So we're missing a shaft that goes from the starter to the...
Yeah, you've got a couple in there.
Engine change. Is that the stop though, Rich? Is that the engine out in gear? Go again. Well, the valve ain't going round. I thought it was going to be. My worry was it was going to be as rusty as auction. No. And you know.
No, the chassis will be solid.
Well, you can throw it in.
Wow. Hello. Here comes Debbie with starting handle. Oh yeah.
Can I go push back down again? Yeah. Can you come back? Wait till you flick it eventually then, it'll flick there. Yeah. Oh, that's what that clicking was, what we used for yeah, that's as far as I'm going to get. So is this going to go or not? Do you get stopping in exactly the same place? It does want to take it. I think we already know it's
Well.
the way. So the spring of the valve should bring it back, shouldn't it, with the middle up? Oh! Me going to bed, lads!
Oh my god!
Hey, hold up, hamburger! Hey, go and get Chris to get us a pound out for you. Gently. Hey, we've got a spark now. Alright, that's boiled more than we expected.